Hi guys, my name's Anna and I'm a designer here at Peabody's Interiors, and I just wanted to walk you guys through one of the spaces that we just finished for one of my clients, and this is her mudroom. Designing this space with her, actually designing the whole house with her, her style is a little bit more of that shabby chic. She loves a good crystal. Obviously you'll see in some of our fixtures throughout the space, but she also likes that moody purple, some teal colors, and a lot of wood textures. And so you'll see that as a consistent thread throughout. Specifically in her mudroom, we wanted to design this space to be more of a functional space for her family, since it is right off of her garage here, so a lot of muddy feet are going to be tracking right through here, and then also right off of her main living area. And so her dog's crates are actually in this space as well. The wallpaper that we selected for the walls has a pattern to it that will hide mud or any type of wear and tear. And so instead of just doing a wallpaper on a accent wall, we did it everywhere throughout this whole space. And it really looks light and bright and airy. Again, probably going to fill this with a lot of kids stuff, so right now it looks really beautiful. But there's also ways for you to keep it more, I guess, put together and tidy by adding baskets, by adding shelves underneath at the bottom. So a lot of those shoes can be like kind of shoved in there. Having dogs and kids in her house, this mudroom really needed to be like her wear and tear space. And so we designed it with her dog crates in mind. We actually put them to the side there so they're not in our walking path. On top of that, we built over the crates a countertop option so that she has something that she can lay everything out on. We designed it to be a little bit more of not a clutter collection, but places that you can put things. Right now, currently, we have a couple bowls on there that she can throw in her dog leash. She has, dog treats. You can also put those in there. Just a lot of baskets and bowls that are really more functional and pretty at the same time. And so then on top of this, we built up your visual eye going up with our floating shelves. And with those floating shelves, you can make those a little bit more on the decorative side. Not all spaces need to be just super, super tight designed, but we did put a little bit more thought into our accessorizing up here on this. Behind us, how we designed our locker system here, she has 3 kids, and so we wanted each kid to have their own little personal space. Her kids are very much into sports and very into pretty things. And so we decided to add 2 hooks for each locker. And we actually put them up just a little bit higher so we can hang coats that are longer. You can still hang a book bag pretty comfortably in there. And then our bench seat did project out further than the cubby itself, and that really is just so you can tuck more stuff in the back side there. When you're sitting down, you don't want to be sitting so tight to the back. Above that, we built in an adjustable shelf system so that she has the functionality to be able to move that up and down depending on her needs. The command center was also designed more for a functionality for my client so that she can have a pinup board that she can put up little reminders for herself since her kids are very active. And then also it has a charging station so that her kids can charge all of their technology, and it's all housed in one little area. The last little gem of our mudroom that we designed here for my client, we put in an LK water bottle station really to help save the earth, but for her it was more about using it for functionality for her kids that are coming in and out with water bottles. Thanks for walking through this mudroom design with us, and think about how you can use these ideas in your own space.